Before I make my last statement, may I just assure you that during my time, I said there will be no corruption. And every Japanese investor in my country, however small or however big, I can assure you that if there is any complaint regarding hindrances, obstruction, or outright corruption, let me know. I will give you at any hour of the day or night. You can contact any of the cabinet members or your Filipino lawyers or Filipino workers. And you can ask an audience with me in 24 hours, and I will talk to you. And just let me know what your problem is, and we will kill that problem. Well, short of. But as I am committed to do this, I place honor and my persona that what I guarantee here must be followed. Thank you and good afternoon.